Today I will show you how to draw and color an apple for class 3. You can take a bowl to take some help to draw it. Keep it here and draw a light circle. Is it visible? Yes, a light circle like this. Then you have to make a M on the top. Okay, like this. You have to draw an M, the letter M with white hands, and here on the bottom a W, a small W with a little depression like this. Okay, a small W here and a big M here. Now we will join these two lines like this, and here the apple ready. I think it's too narrow, so I have to erase it and make it a big chubby. Yes, and here also I will make it a little chubby, and you can do it like this: dash, 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 dash. Now it's okay, then you can make a clear line. Now the apple is here, so we will erase the helping lines. The circle we have created to help make us the apple, I will erase all the extra lines. Now only the apple is here. Is it visible? Is it okay? Now here I will draw the stem of the apple like this, and one leaf here. A small leaf, and that's all. Okay, now we will make an outline of this by using brown color. You can give the outline afterwards also. When you see that your apple is ready, the shape of the apple is okay, only then you will start coloring. Very carefully you have to draw the outline. Now take red color, this is red color, and start coloring the apple. On the sides it will be darker than the center. You have to give more pressure, and you have to move your color along the curve in a curvy way like this. First you have to color it along the sides so that color will not go out and you can color it freely. If the color goes out, you have to rub it. On the side, you have to give more pressure. And in the center, you will give less pressure. You have to color red first, and in the center you have to make round like this, and this portion will be lighter than the outer side. Can you see? I am going round and round, round and round, round and round. Whenever you color a round surface, you have to move your hands in circles. Then only you will create a three-dimensional drawing. Like this. Now I will add a little yellow in the center. This is a ripened apple. Only in the center. Like this. That's all. Okay. Now light green on the stem and in the leaf. Like this. And that's all. You have to make the veins also dark. Make it more visible by using dark brown color. Like this. You can give a background to this by using a little blue color. Just a little bit. And your apple is ready. So you have to be very careful about the cleanliness of the drawing. जब भी आपको ड्राइंग बनाते हो बहुत सफाई से बनाओगे. आपको 10 में से 4 मार्क्स 2 मार्क्स जो है आपकी क्लीनिनेस के ही मिलते हैं. अगर आपने ड्राइंग क्लीन नहीं बनाई है, साफ सुथरी ड्राइंग नहीं बनाई है, तो उसके मार्क्स कम मिलते हैं. सो दिस इज द एप्पल. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट अ लॉट. प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. तो आप बार बार बनाओ इसको. बार बार बनाओगे तो आपको अच्छे से बनाना आ जाएगा. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. बाय बाय.